So I put this in the bag, and then I also take a dust bag, which all of our bags come with their own dust bag, so it's extra security. Hey y'all, what's up YouTube family, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm coming to you guys with another video, and as you can see from the background area, y'all know what this video is going to be about. As you can see from the title, you guys know what this video is going to be about. So I did a poll on my IG story asking for different topics I can talk about on my YouTube channel, and one of the topics was how I handle my shipments or whatever, right? So I have a few orders that I need to pack, so I'm going to show you two different ways I pack my orders from one of my online stores. So yeah, I can't wait. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like it for real. Yeah, we're gonna get this thing started. Oh, also, for the people who don't know me, I'm Don Marie. You can call me Don Brooks. And yeah, I'm in this YouTube space just showing people how I stepped out on faith and became a full-time entrepreneur, and showing people ways they can become a full-time entrepreneur as well and boss up and live their life freely as I'm trying to live mine. So right now, I'm just printing out the labels of the shipments I'm going to be working on. So there's a couple of shipments. So I have a few shipments that was ordered on Wednesday, and I'm going to go ahead and pack Wednesdays and Thursdays and probably Fridays too, and go ahead and get them out or whatever. So I'm actually about to print out a label now. That's why I had to like stop, record, and go ahead and start this video. So this is no practice at all. This is just going with the flow. So I'm in my zone, y'all, but don't mind me. Or what to print out the labels. This is what I use to print my labels out. You probably can't see the name, but it's a Rolo printer. It doesn't include, you don't have to use ink. I got this from Amazon for about $200 and some change. I'll put the link in my description if you guys want to know where I got this printer from. I've had this printer since 2020 when I first started my business, and it has not let me down. You feel me? So yeah, I'm so happy. I like this one. So let me go ahead, and you're gonna see where it prints out the label, and then I also print out the packing slip as well. So I make sure a packing slip is in every order, so I can know also what to put in the order, or how to pack the order, like what they purchased. So I'm going to print out 2 for right now, so I can go ahead and get through this video and show y'all, and then we're gonna get this thing started. Now I am just okay, and now there's other ways you can print out. There's so many apps on Shopify that you can use where you can print out labels all like in a one-time order. Don't have to be individually, but I'm just doing it individually right now, so I can just print out these 2 and show you guys, and then I'm going to print out the rest. So I have 2 orders that I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do. One of my orders right here, and it comes with the label and packing slip. So stay tuned on how I start packing the orders, okay? Hey y'all, so I'm back, and basically this is how I pack one of my orders. So for this particular customer, they ordered a bracelet from my site or whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I package my jewelry and what all comes in the package once the customer receives it. Elephants are like my favorite animals or whatever. So this is the charm bracelet that they ordered or whatever. It's in gold, and I also have these in silver as well. They are so cute, really like pretty accessories or whatever. So the jewelry goes into a box which has my logo, my company's logo, and inside of the box it has like a soft cushion for the jewelry so it won't get banged up or nothing like that. And it's really, really soft. It's like a velvet type material. It's black. So that's what I put the jewelry in. Tuck it in, make sure it's secure, and then I take the lid and I put it on top. Then I ship most of my jewelry depending on how many bracelets they order. If they order one bracelet, 1 or 2 bracelets, it will go in this envelope. If it order more than 1 bracelet in a smaller box or whatever, so it can all fit one order. But since this customer only ordered 1 bracelet, I'm gonna put it in this envelope. So what goes in this envelope is the packing slip. Can't forget that, which everyone should need. Make sure they have a packing slip so the customer can also know what they ordered. Packing slip, and I also have our thank you cards, which is a nice, simple, you know, telling them thank you with our social media in the bag, a little nice message or whatever, just something simple like that. So put this with the thank you card. I put it inside the envelope first so I know, and then I take and put the jewelry box in as well. And I like this bubble wrap, I like these envelopes. I got these from Amazon. I have a subscription actually with the supplier, so they send me like packages every month. But I really, really like it because it's not see-through that, and once you take this seal out and you put it, I'm telling you, it's so hard to pull it up. It's so hard to open. So yeah, I like it. Once I take the plastic out, I just, okay, so what I also do is I take one of our stickers with my brand name on it, and I put it on the back. And then I also, to make sure that UPS or USPS doesn't damage it, which they probably won't care anyway, I put a fragile sticker as well on it, letting them know to please handle this shipment with care because it is a fragile item inside right here. And then for right here, that's when I put the label. I would show you guys the label because I don't want to show the customer information, but I will put the label right here in this area. So that is how I package my jewelry. So now we're going to do the next package. Now for this item, usually what I do is I do all of my jewelry first so I can get out the way. Jewelry is more simple. I can sit down. I got to do too much standing. Sometimes when I have a lot of orders, I'll probably sit on the floor and spread everything out and just pack orders that way. But this one in particular, I have to stand up because it takes a lot of more movement to get these items prepared. Now I usually don't do them this way, but when I want to show you guys when I first started out, like how it used to be. But now most of the times I try to pre-tape the boxes so I can just grab a box and put the purse in or whatever, which this item is going to be a purse. A lot of people say, why you ship your purses out in a box instead of just an envelope? Me personally, because of the way the purse is made, which I'm going to show you guys how the purse is made. It's made with vegan leather, and it's really, really good material. I wouldn't want the bag to get too damaged or bent up or stepped on, so I'd rather put it in a box because I feel like a box will make it much more secured, if you understand what I'm saying. So basically this is the box, and I get my boxes from Uline. Uline. I actually have a Net 30 account with them. Yeah, a Net 30 account with them. If you don't know nothing about Net 30 accounts and business credit, everything, if you want me to talk about it and tell y'all about it, let me know in the comments and I'll go over it. But if it's something that you don't want to really hear about, then we can skip on to something else. But I have a Net 30 account with Uline. So I am going to fold this box up and take it down. Okay, so y'all probably like, Dawn, that's a lot of tape. Me personally, I like my boxes to be extra secure, so I know that this should not come apart. So now I turn it over and I will show you guys what I put in this packet. So first thing first is the product. I want to show you guys the product really quick. This is actually one of the bags that I sell, and it has I'm not going to open up the bags because I want to make sure the customer be able to take everything back off, but these are one of the bags I sell. It has it's made with vegan leather, and it has our logo inside of the bag, which is really, really cute. And it's like really, really cute. It has pockets. It has a lot of pockets in the inside. It has a chain, as you can see, but it's like wrapped up really nice so it won't be damaged. And yeah, it's so cute. It has like a little gold, hardware. Really, really cute. So to keep it, I originally put it in the bag that it goes in. And then also there's like a little cardboard thing that goes in the front just so it won't be any dents or scratches. So I make sure that goes. I put this in the bag, and then I also take a dust bag, which all of our bags come with their own dust bag, so it's extra security. And then say if you want to like put the bag up in your closet, it's really cute, you can just put it in a dust bag. All of our bags, our handbags, come with a signature dust bag. So I'm gonna put the bag in the dust bag, do it like this, and then I'm gonna take this bag and put it in the box. So once I put it in the box to make sure it's so secured, then I will take thank you card and packing slip. So packing slip, so the customer know, thank you card, put it in the box, and next I will go ahead and secure the box down. So now that I have the box secured down, I will be taking my Her Wealth Collection sticker, putting it on the box right here. Then I will also take my fragile sticker, because it is fragile, and put it on the box as well. And then I will then take the label and put it right here. Yeah, and that's really it and how I package my order. Hey y'all, so I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't too detailed, but I just wanted to get the video out because it was requested for me to do it, so I just wanted to get it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see or what you will enjoy talking about. I know I mentioned the Net 30 account, and for the people who don't know what a Net 30 account is, it's more on the business credit topic, which I also help people get business funding and business credit. I work with a lot of upcoming entrepreneurs and inspiring entrepreneurs to get business funding and business credit. So let me know if that's something that you guys want to see, and I will do a video on that very soon. But anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like the video. And also, if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos, because I'm ready to give you my all for 2022. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.